Okay, so for my final project, I am going to be making calendula and lavender, calendula and lavender infused oil. I already melted some of my coconut oil. It's 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And I'm going to add some of each herb directly to the oil. And I'm going to use a spoon just to scoop it out. I already have lavender and calendula on hand. That's why I'm using it. I would have liked to add comfrey. However, my local shop did not have it, so we use what we have. I'm going to add some of the calendula. Okay, making a little bit of a mess, but you know, that's how it is sometimes. So I'm going to fill the jar about halfway with herbs and then fill it the rest of the way with oil. Make sure they're all down at the bottom there. Okay. Add some. I also have sweet almond oil on hand, so I'm going to use that to add. I would have also liked extra virgin olive oil or something a little bit thicker, but again, we're going to use what we have. It's part of the magic. Okay, I'm just going to pat this down with a wooden spoon. Make sure everything is covered. Everything is definitely thoroughly covered. You can even see like the herbs are moving around and redistributing. And then I'm going to add this to a pot of water to simmer for about 45 minutes to infuse.